First, engineers decide on the size, shape, and brightness of the candle. They plan the battery life and a realistic flicker. Finally, all components are finalized. Step 2. Raw material selection. The main materials include plastic body, LED bulb, button cell battery, a tea-light candle is safe and durable. Molten plastic is injected into the mold to form the casing. The cooled shell is removed, and a technician inspects it. This LED is specially designed to give a flickering effect similar to a real candle flame. Now, the circuit assembly begins. This small circuit controls the on and off function and the flickering effect of the light. Step 6. Battery installation. The battery supplies power to the LED light. Check the connection for stable current flow.